Have you ever wondered if you would be a good hacker? Well, if you have the right skill set, then it could actually be a good career choice. These days, you can make a very decent living as an ethical hacker. So, what is ethical hacking? And more importantly, how much does it pay? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal the career path to becoming an ethical hacker and how you can get paid over 7 figures per year. The top industry certifications you need to become an ethical hacker fast. The 2 best resources on the planet to learn ethical hacking from scratch, and how you can become a freelancer hacker by collecting bug bounties. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video to learn how you can become a highly paid ethical hacker. But before I reveal everything, please like and subscribe to the channel. It's really gonna help me with my algorithm so that I can grow this channel. Done that? All right then, let's go. Ethical hacking. Most people have a pretty negative idea of what hackers do. They think of people in a dark room working from a secret location to break into organizations and steal money. These are known as black hat hackers, but there is a whole other side of the coin. It's a side where hacking is not only legal, but you can get paid for it. These white hat hackers are used to increase security. The idea is that cybersecurity engineers are authorized to try and break into the systems of an organization to test how strong its defenses are. Through these attempts, vulnerabilities can be found and tightened up before cyber criminals exploit them. After the hacking attempt, often the organization's cybersecurity team will go through the events and analyze where they can improve things. Obviously, anything that a white hat hacker finds needs to be kept confidential, and any data accessed needs to be secured. What you need. Theoretically, anyone can become an ethical hacker, but you'll need to have a pretty good knowledge of a range of cybersecurity areas. First and foremost, that's programming, which is a big part of the job. On top of that, you'll need to understand scripting, networking, databases, and how operating systems work. Languages like HTML, JavaScript, PHP, and SQL are all important to know. The good news is that there are plenty of online resources and courses to help you gain the skills you need. Websites like StationX or Udemy offer comprehensive hacking courses from scratch, but make sure you check out the recommended prerequisites because some will require a bit of background knowledge to start. So it's not exactly an easy job, but if you are obsessed with programming, looking to challenge yourself, and want an opportunity to hack while getting paid, it could be the perfect fit. Salary. Okay, I hear you. Enough with the technical explanation. How much do ethical hackers make? Well, it depends. Cybersecurity professionals are in such high demand that companies are offering great salaries to attract new talent and even better salaries to those advancing their skills. Some cybersecurity professionals are now charging $2,500 per day. Yes, high demand means great paychecks. So what does the global shortage mean for you? It means opportunity. To become a certified ethical hacker, you'll have to pass a 4-hour exam that has 125 multiple choice questions. But after that, you'll have a certificate that you can take to businesses to prove that you know what you're doing. In the US, the average salary of a certified ethical hacker was $182,000, with the top end of the scale earning as much as $786,000. But if you check out the link in the description below, you can get unlimited access to all of the training material you need to become a highly paid cybersecurity professional with a VIP membership to StationX Cybersecurity School. On the other hand, you can carry out what are known as bug bounties. This is when companies pay hackers big sums of money for identifying security flaws in their systems. Apple offers the biggest reward, which is up to $1 million. Plus, finding these issues will help you make a name for yourself. But be warned, there are plenty of very skilled bounty hunters constantly trying to get their hands on the money, so there's some stiff competition. Have you ever considered a career as an ethical hacker? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more cybersecurity content like this.